There was a time when America's national symbol was on the edge of disappearing. By the early 1960s, only a few hundred nesting pairs of bald eagles remained in the lower 48 states. Their habitat was disappearing. Some were still being hunted. And a pesticide called DDT caused their eggshells to become so thin that many chicks never hatched. For a while, it seemed the bald eagle might vanish from much of the country. But Americans chose a different path. DDT was banned. Critical habitat was protected. The bald eagle received legal protection. And slowly, the population began to recover. Today, more than 300,000 bald eagles once again soar across the skies of the lower 48 states. It's amazing what can be accomplished when people choose stewardship over indifference.